Succession planning is very important with respect to your business. You've People put a lot of uh, blood, sweat, and tears into their business and really expend a significant portion of their time developing it and growing it. And as a result of their success, they want to protect in the event that if something happens to them, that value that they've built in that business doesn't disappear overnight. So there are a number of documents that can be created to avoid those pitfalls. The first and most important document is to have an estate plan. That estate plan can provide for a smooth transition in the management of the business if something happens to the owner. And then it can also provide on how that business gets transferred after death. Now, the second issue that can come up is when you have a business that is owned by multiple people and one of the members dies, what happens to that deceased member's interest? A lot of times, the surviving members of that business don't want to be involved or don't want the estate of the deceased member involved in the running and management of the business because A, they don't have the knowledge or expertise, and B, there could be issues regarding management and control. The estate of the deceased member may meddle and potentially cause the business to lose value. So what a lot of businesses do is they create a document called the buy-sell agreement. A buy-sell agreement provides what we call a triggering event. If one of those triggering events occurs, that causes a buyout of a particular member. Now, the most common scenario people plan for and the most common triggering event is death. So that buy-sell agreement would then define the terms of how the estate of the deceased member gets bought out. Some people could use life insurance to fund the buyout. There could be promissory notes involved. There could be a whole number of things that the business owners customize and draft within that particular buy-sell agreement to make sure that they're covered in the event one of their partners dies. So that buy-sell agreement is a very important document.